sisters. We got some new recipes, right, Auntie Faith?
Yes.
Yes, and they came over for dinner tonight, and I made in the Trim Healthy Table hymnal, page 124, the lazy chicken lasagna, because I felt lazy this afternoon. And look at it, Auntie Faith, look. See?
Baby, she doesn't look too lazy to make that.
Nope.
Ooh,
Now I'm
baby.
gonna see if this. Now, one thing I did, it says you need a food processor.
Yes.
But I don't have a food processor, so I just put all that stuff. Oh, sisters.
Oh, baby, look at that.
Smell it. Oh. Should I get you a piece?
Yes, please.
Yay.
Yes, please.
I just put everything in my Vitamixer.
Oh,
And I used
look at
fresh
that.
spinach.
Fresh.
I just dumped fresh spinach on top.
Yummy.
And then we've got some salad. What kind of salad is this?
This is just a salad.
Okay.
Lettuce and some goat cheese and eggs.
Oh, I love goat cheese.
And avocado.
Ooh, give me a avocado in
in
there.
there.
Oh, give me a.
Oh, give you.
Yeah,
Oh,
we're
I was
trying
going to
to-
show my.
Well, I know, but no, give me some
Oh,
here.
give you
and then
some.
and then the dressing.
The dressing is the honey mustard.
Yes. Okay. Same hymnal right here. There you
Honey
go.
mustard.
Honey mustard, page 527.
Oh, baby, that was
Oh, let's have
good. Oh,
some.
let's eat it.
Okay, now let's try the
Let me get-
lasagna first. You want to try
Let me get my
lasagna?
salad.
Okay.
Yeah, let's try the lasagna.
Ooh, baby, I can't wait. Shall we just take our time? Because the men, they're just
They're waiting to
The
eat.
men are just patiently. okay. Wait,
Ooh, look at this.
wait. And I got a rotisserie chicken.
Yes.
Oh.
Mm.
Oh, that's good. Oh.
Mm.
Bigger bite. I need a bigger bite.
Chicken in there.
Oh, that chicken.
What's the cheese in there?
Mozzarella?
Okay.
Mmm. Oh. Now let's taste the dressing.
Now, how does the dressing taste?
That's what I gotta see here. Honey mustard. Hey, stop it!
Somebody's begging for food.
It's not the dogs either.
Who let the dogs out?
Hey, that dressing. This honey mustard is good. Do you guys wish?
You could eat.
I wish I could show you our husbands. They have their tongues hanging out.
They're dripping. They're dripping here.
Okay, honey, you can turn it off.